Welcome student. Today we will have brainstorming upon compound. What is compound? Compound. Compound, the substance formed by chemical combination of two or more elements in a fixed ratio is called compound. By a chemical combination means in the formation of compound there is chemical reaction and a new substance is formed. My dear student, in the formation of compound, there is chemical reaction and a new substance is formed. As there is formation of a new substance, we can say that the properties of compound is different than its constituent element. Example H2O, that is water. H2O, this is a compound and it has the property that it extinguishes the fire. Extinguish the fire. But water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. But hydrogen and oxygen have different property. What does the property hydrogen have? It is combustible substance. Combustible substance. While oxygen helps for combustion. Compound, a substance formed by chemical combination of two or more elements. Two or more element in a fixed ratio is called compound. In the formation of compound, a new substance is formed and this new substance will have different properties. The properties of compound, which is a new substance. The properties of compound is different than its constituent element. If we take an example of water, water is made up of element. So the constituent element of water is hydrogen and oxygen. If we consider a compound, water, it extinguishes the fire. But if we individually consider the properties of hydrogen and oxygen, we will see that hydrogen is a combustible substance, whereas oxygen helps for combustion. The compound is represented by molecular formula. Whenever we want to represent a compound, we represent compound by a molecular formula. And this we have studied in the previous video. We'll write some example of compound and you try to write the molecular formula of this compound. You can take the reference of the video which I have shared you on the group. So now I will just write the example of compound and you try to write the molecular formula. I have wrote all the molecular formula of this compound in the previous video. Try to write the molecular formula of sodium chloride, sodium oxide, sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, potassium chloride, potassium oxide, potassium hydroxide, potassium carbonate, potassium bicarbonate. Calcium oxide, calcium chloride, calcium hydroxide, calcium carbonate, calcium bicarbonate, magnesium chloride, magnesium oxide, magnesium hydroxide, magnesium carbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, aluminium chloride, aluminium oxide, aluminium hydroxide, aluminium carbonate. These all are the example of compound, and compound is formed in a fixed proportion by a chemical reaction. A compound is represented by molecular formula. Here I have written only the names of the compound, and I have explained you in the previous video how to write the molecular formula. So you try to write the molecular formula of the compound. This will be definitely asked in the exam. Thank you.